You're beeping at me to go forward. That's not the smartest thing right now. Unless you're a chaser. Proceed with caution, folks. There's a very big tornado up here.
Like right there.
Yeah. It's kind of paralleling this road. Holy cow, that collar cloud
Yeah,
moving over the road
like
here.
the power lines.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. Okay. Yep, there, okay, it's right up here in the road. Literally, right up here. I see the debris in it. See it right there? That's it. Yeah, come up here. It's right here. Hurry, there it is. Big wedge tornado crossing right in front of us right now. It's right there. Hurry.
I am. I'm right.
Okay. I just don't want you to miss it. There it is.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's right there.
I know.
Okay, these power lines are. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
We're all right. It's far enough. It's far enough up there.
I don't know about that.
We're good. We're good.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's crossing the road right now. Yep. Okay, there's the back edge of it. That car just barely. It's surprisingly not windy. Okay, there we go.
That scares me. Oh jeez.
There's the back edge of it.
Oh, we can't go